How to view transactions on the Booking.com application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're wondering how to check your transactions easily on Booking.com, here is how you do it. First of all, launch open your Booking.com application on your device and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the My Account button. After you open up My Accounts tab, look for Transactions underneath Payment Information. If you've made any past or current transactions, you'll be able to see all of your reservations. If you don't have any, you'll be able to see this No Transaction Yet label on the page. All of the reservations that you've made in the past, current, will be displayed on the page. Tap on the specific booking you want to check, and this will open detailed information about the reservation. So that is how you check your transactions on Booking.com application using your smartphone. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.